2 days, it'll be a full-blown operation.
I noticed it in the distance and I was like, what the fuck? Like, I've never seen this before.
He's 5'2". That's already, bro, that's already an advantage because it's shorter range of motion. And he weighs like 230. Like, bro, that should be nothing. Watch what a 145, 5, I like to say 5'9" person gonna do. Bro, watch this shit. How else will I be accessible?
First try Friday, baby!
We're here.
20,000 stickers, brother, in 6 hours.
That's why there's like 7,000 of them back there.
OCC is premiering our video.
I graduated, bro. Friday, Monday.
We got a new unit, so we're officially moving everything over. Today's day 1. You guys will see it in the video later on. But we needed some more fucking space, man. Gotta give myself a little charge. Oh no. I call them the big bucks. I call them reinforcements.
No.
Boxes from China, man. They ain't like US made, bro. Fuck China boxes, bro. Shit's bullshit.
What happened, buddy?
Oh no, fuck.
You guys feel the earthquake? That was him. But tell me about the story, how it happened. Like you were hiking and you saw like a mountain lion, and then like you were running from it, right?
Yeah, no, I saw the mountain lion and I noticed it in the distance and I was like, what the fuck? Like, I've never seen this before. So like, I got spooked. And then like I tried running, like, I know you're not supposed to run. Like that's not, you're not supposed to run, you know? But like, I was so scared that like, I had to run and as I was running back.
He didn't run away, he ran towards it. And he was trying to like grapple it because there was a family there. So he was like, oh, it's either me or the family. So he ran towards it, tried to grapple him. But then there was a rock and he slipped. But before he slipped, he was able to throw the mountain lion down the cliff. So the family was good, but then unfortunately his ankle.
Yeah. So my ankles feels like it's sprained, you know. I got it a little socked up right now. This is my new whip right here for the time being. So
The rims are gonna change. So you're gonna get some rims on that.
What's good, Money Merch? How we doing today? Just checking in because getting a little production going. So right here, what I got is that little hooping station. I got my hoops. So we need to keep the garment in place, keep everything locked and tight. Then I got my garment. Why this is important is to make sure that every garment comes out the same. You know, every client, every brand, every garment has their own specific placement guidelines. We want to make sure that we follow each one as close and as perfect to the mock-up as possible. A little quality insurance, you know. First production run. All looking bomb, all looking bomb. Oh yeah, yeah, I see it.
Let's go check on the fulfillment boys. Let's see how the transformation of the new fulfillment's going. So, let's go. That's it. That's it.
No.
That's it.
No, it's staying.
That's it. All right, let's see what they got going on here. No update. Still the same.
Boy.
What are we working on today, sir?
You know, I'm just adjusting some labels, but we got everybody else.
Hello, Kelly.
We're trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We're trying to get racks out into the new spot, so we're moving, but we have, you know, fulfillment. Our main goal is to fulfill orders, so we're doing both at the same time, which is a little hectic.
Can we push it? You gotta zigzag. Yeah?
Oh shit.
Dude, I think it's broken.
Say it slow.
Nice. It's a vibe in here. I like it.
Then you have to leave. It's my warehouse.
This is nice in here.
All right, Guess the next
the
song.
old
Hurry,
warehouse,
hurry,
bro.
hurry. Next song.
Cali something.
Too late.
He only listens to Dom Kennedy.
No, that's not true. What's the next song? Wicked Days by Rock Marciano. I'm snaking. Is that cool?
Yeah. No, I wanted it.
Because
I wanted it to
on the other one, it was like the A's are at the front of the aisle.
And then you're gonna go this way, right?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So just gonna go in and out.
Yep. In and out. So yeah, that's what's
Ship-
that?
get your whips
That's Ship Hero's path that we walk. So it's just basically a
success.
snake. So we'll be starting down there, and then all of this will be racks that we just pick orders with. So homie Luke's setting it up. In a few days, it'll be a full-blown operation of Money Merch Fulfillment upgrading.
What's up, boys? Where can I put this? These are just like shit we touched up. I'm gonna put them on this pallet because this is like overseas shit.
So it's this pallet and then that huge pallet, right? That you guys
This is like soccer jerseys and some crop tops, and then the pallet over there is like other stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna start coming over here and having Kelly skew all that.
Put these here though?
Yeah, you can put that there. I can't even skew these though, huh? They just came like in this big ass bag.
While they do some work, let's go get some work done. Health is wealth, man. Light work, look at that. Look at that. Put me in fulfillment, I got it. Ooh, ooh. Leg up. Leg up. Let's do some fucking swimming shit. Oh, okay, that's it. Light, back to work.
Bro, the only 20 piece you knocking out is a chicken nugget meal, bro. I promise.
I'll take off my shirt right now.
You ain't knocking out a 20 piece with a plate. I'm telling you, it was probably the 25, huh? It was a 25?
Roll the tape. Roll the
It was
tape.
the 25.
Roll the tape right
I
here.
swear to God.
Right here. Put it right here.
I just seen it the other day. I know you're not like, you're too lazy to take that off, put a plate on.
You got 2 hours to respond. Respond on your break. You got 2 hours.
All right, hold on. What time is it? Nah, we finna go bust that out. When I go on my lunch, we're gonna go. And whatever weight he put on, how much did he do before?
You did a plate on both sides.
It was a plate on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, that's light.
I did all the plates that was available there, man. All the plates. I stacked them up.
That's bullshit.
Busted it out.
That is bullshit.
All these young kids, you know, they don't know about old man strength, dude. They don't know old man strength. I got it. Look at him. Look at him. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. I'm not even on it. He'd be taking creatine, fucking ashwagandha, fucking Flintstone vitamins. I'm just off the muscle, bro. Just off the muscle. Pure air.
Just sending my boy an approval. If he says it's good to go, we gonna run it on the machines.
Over all that shit talking, bro. Over all that shit. He think, bro, I think it's funny that he's 5'2". That's already, bro, that's already an advantage because it's shorter range of motion. And he weighs like 230. Like, bro, that should be nothing. Watch what a 145, I like to say 5'9" person gonna do, bro. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. Come on. Walk with me. Walk with me. I'm on your ass, RJ. I'm on your ass. Put on 45 on this bitch. Come on, bro. He hit 20 for sure.
He hit 20.
Alright, man. Oh my god. It's heavy. I got more in me. I got more in me. Cause I'm better than RJ. I'm better than RJ. Ah, shit, man. Let's get it. I need a second. I need a second. Shit. 23. Jordan. Jordan. Shit, man. Come on. Oh, wait. Damn. I was gonna say this.